Hello everyone.
Hi.
So today we are going to have one activity. In that activity, I am going to tell you sentences in Hindi and you need to translate them. Are you ready? So Sania, the sentence is मैं बाजार जा रही हूँ.
I am going to market.
मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है.
I want to study. I have to study. Yeah, both are right.
मेरा घर दूर है.
My house is very far.
तुम बहुत सुंदर हो.
You are very beautiful.
It is for Sania. मैं पहुँच चुकी हूँ.
I have to reach. No, I reached.
It will be I have reached. Okay. Next is for Kulsum. तुम्हारा क्या नाम है?
What is your name?
तुम गुस्सा क्यों हो?
You are angry. Why are you angry?
मेरा घर बहुत बड़ा है.
My house is very big.
क्या तुम्हारा घर बड़ा है?
Is your house big?
मुझे सब पता है.
I know everything.
मुझे सब पता था.
I know everything. I knew everything. Repeat it. I knew everything.
तुम्हारे पापा क्या करते हैं?
What are you? What to do your father? Can you repeat it?
तुम्हारे पिता क्या करते हैं?
What did your father? What did your father do?
It will be what does your father do? Okay?
Sorry.
Because father is a singular subject. Okay, next is मैं खाना खाती हूँ.
I am eating the food. मैं खाना खाती हूँ. I eat the food.
मुझे सब कुछ आता है.
I know everything.
खाना कैसे बनाते हैं?
How to cook food.
तुम्हारे पापा अखबार क्यों पढ़ते हैं?
Why is your father read the newspaper?
Why is or why does?
Why does your father read the newspaper?
मुझे डर लग रहा है.
What do we call डर?
It's fear.
I am feeling fear.
Or I have fear. I have fear.
पर मैं डरूंगी नहीं.
But I will not fear.
तुम्हारी उम्र क्या है?
What is your age?
क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज हो?
You are angry.
Are you angry?
Are you angry?
If we are saying मुझसे, so are you angry with me? Okay, Sania. Next is for Elish. मेरे पापा मुझे डांटते हैं.
My father scolded me.
My father does scold me.
मेरे पापा मुझे डांटते हैं.
My father does scold me.
Will does come, Sania.
Can you repeat sentence?
मेरे पापा मुझे डांटते हैं.
Yes. My father scold me. Scold.
Scold or scolds?
Scolds. Yes लगेगा.
Scolds.
Yes लगेगा. Yeah.
Next is for Aisha. कुत्ता भौंकता है.
What do we call भौंकना?
What do we call Vokta? Bar.
Okay. The dog is bath.
No.
It will be the dog barks because it is a present indefinite tense. Yes. Next is for Sania. मुझे हंसी आ रही है.
I coming to laugh.
It can be I am feeling to laugh or I am laughing. Yeah, because meaning is the same, that you are laughing or you are getting to laugh. Okay. Next is for Kulsum. मुझे लगा ये तुम्हें चुनेंगी.
I think she choose you. She choose to you. She will choose you.
Yeah, but I think or I thought.
I thought.
Corrected.
I thought she will choose you.
अब मुझसे और नहीं होगा.
Now. No.
Yeah, now.
No. Now is try. Now it's enough.
Yeah, और अब मुझसे और नहीं होगा.
Now I did not do anything. Now I can't do this.
That is also correct. Now it's enough. Now I can't do this, because as a speaker we need to focus on the meaning. So it can be swept. Apart from it, one more is right, that now I will not be able to do that. Okay. Next is for Elish. तुम मुझसे क्या चाहती हो?
What do you want to me?
What do you want
To me. For me.
from me?
What do you want to from me?
What do you want from me? Next is for Aisha. मुझे पता था तुम यहीं आओगी.
I know you. यहीं आओगी.
I know or I knew?
I knew.
Try it.
I knew you come this.
Which tense am I using? आओगी. It is future na. So I knew you will.
I knew you will this come.
Come here.
Come here.
How will it be?
I know you will come here.
It will be know or knew.
Knew. मुझे पता था.
So how was this activity, guys?
Nice.
Okay, let's end it here. Bye.